Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant moringa branches. First, choose a healthy branch, ideally 1 to 2 inches thick, from a mature moringa tree. Using sharp, clean pruners, cut the branch into sections, each about 10 to 18 inches long. Make sure each cutting includes at least 3 to 4 nodes, as these are crucial for successful rooting. This initial step sets the foundation for a thriving new plant. Next, prepare your moringa cuttings for planting. Carefully remove all leaves from the bottom 2/3 of each cutting to reduce moisture loss and encourage root growth. For best results, dip the bottom end of each cutting into a rooting hormone powder, which significantly boosts root development. After applying the hormone, let the cuttings air dry for 1 to 2 days. This helps prevent rot once planted. Now it's time to plant your prepared moringa cuttings. You can plant them directly into the ground in a sunny spot with well-draining soil or into individual pots. Bury approximately 1/3 to 1/2 of the cuttings length into the soil, ensuring the nodes are covered. After planting, water the soil thoroughly. It's important to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged to encourage rooting. Finally, let's discuss the care for your newly planted moringa. Consistent moisture is key, so water regularly, especially during dry spells, but avoid overwatering. Protect the young plants from strong winds and intense, direct sunlight for the first few weeks. With proper care, you should see new leaves emerging within 3 to 6 weeks, indicating successful rooting and growth. Enjoy your new moringa plants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.